Isinagawa ngayong araw ang conference at groundbreaking ceremony ng Matanog Special Economic Zone sa Marayag Lake, Bayanga Norte, Matanog, Maguindanao del Norte, BARM. Ang news now sa report.
Formal na isinagawa ngayong araw ang conference at groundbreaking ceremony ng Matanog Special Economic Zone sa Marayag Lake, Bayanga Norte, Matanog, Maguindanao del Norte, BARM, Philippines. Ayon kay MBDI President Muhammad Zahairi Guro, may pangmatagalang epekto ang pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan sa paghubog ng kinabukasan ng Bangsamoro.
I ask for your continued support and cooperation. Let this milestone be a reminder for us that change, real change, always begins in belief. We must believe that we can change our society. The soil we break today will nurture a future where our youth no longer have to live to find opportunities, where our communities are self-reliant, and where peace is sustained not by words, but by livelihood. With faith in Allah and unity among our people, and with partnership across all sectors of our society, we will build a strong Bangsamoro that thrives, economically strong and morally grounded, and also globally connected.
Emosyonal naman si Matanog Mayor Zoria Bansil Guro sa kanyang mensahe sa katuparan ng kanyang dating pangarap para sa lugar.
But today, we rise together to transform those scars into symbols of strength. With a peace agreement between the MILF and the government of the Philippines, now a living reality. It is time to bombard our community, not with the cannons and bullets, but with opportunities, investments, and development. From war to war, from a war zone to an economic zone. This is the new story of Matanog. This groundbreaking ceremony for the WOW Matanog Special Economic Zone, also known as the Bangsamoro Halal Park Project site, is more than just an infrastructure project. It is a symbol of rebirth and hope for Matanog, the Iranon Corridor, and the entire Bangsamoro region. The establishment of this halal economic zone will bring numerous benefits to our community and beyond.
Kilala noon ang Matanog bilang isang war zone, ngunit ngayon ay kinikilala na bilang isang economic zone, patunay ng pagbabago, kapayapaan at pag-unlad na patuloy na isinusulong ni Mayor Guro. Jen Garcia, iMinds, Philippines.